So in this video, we want to show you how online reservation works and how it is being integrated with the hotel management software and also the WhatsApp notification module. So first and foremost, I visit hotelease.ng. So once I visit hotelease.ng, automatically it brings me to the home page with all the hotels, exclusive offers, and the likes. You have so many. So you have featured destinations. Those are hotels that have been, featured on hotellist.ng. So hotellist.ng also provide unique URL. That's the domain name for each of the hotel. So let's say, for example, if I go to postsuits.ng is an hotel. And on postsuits.ng, they have a page. So automatically, once you go to your website, for example, you have the name of your hotel.com or .ng. So it's actually loading. So you can see this is everything about Postsuit. So nothing about hotel is here. So you have a website dedicated to yourself. So this is Pursuit's website. You can see this is about Pursuit. You can see all the amenities. You can book. This is their rooms. You can search for availability. You understand? So as you can see, they have standard, they have executive, they have deluxe, and this is a hotel, you understand, that is using the website, and guests can automatically book from the website. This is customer sale. So now, and I think Pursuit will need to pay me for this advert. So for hotelease.ng, for example, if I go to explore hotel, okay, and I have, let's assume I want to make a reservation, and the hotel I want to make reservation for is in Abuja. Let's say Abuja. Then I search destination. So automatically it will give me hotels that are in Abuja. I want to use Moji Software and Technology Hotel as an example. So this hotel now is where I want to, make reservation with. You can check all the hotels that you have. Then I'm going into Moji Software and Technology. On Moji Software and Technology, I check all the rooms, I check all their features, the toilet, the everything, then I like it. Then here, of course, you have the pictures of the room types. So these are just example, of pictures. So now let's now assume I want a deluxe room. And on the deluxe room, it's showing me that only three left, an exclusively designed space, perfectly for luxury, living, future premium, finishes, and modern technology integration. So I want to book this room. Remember, I need to log in. Let me create a tab here. Hotel is .ng. So I want to log into Moji Software and Technology. So from here, the username, that's the demo account. The username and password is demo. Then you have demo also. So once I log in, I click login. So once I log in, it will take me to the calendar where I can see the room. You can see all the room types. So now, of course, we don't have any reservation here. I can also go to booking. So from here, You can see there's no any information here. Okay, let me now make a reservation here. Let's say I want to reserve for one night. Okay, these are the information. Then I'm putting 070 35407947. So I can make a special request like I want the room to be, downstairs, to be on first floor. I can make any comment here. Then we have what we call the agent referral code. This agent referral code is something that we are going to dwell on later. So once I put the phone number, put all the information, then I select. We have three mode of payment. We have the pay stack, we have the Flutter Wave, we have the WhatsApp. So this pay stack and this, you can actually use your card or you can do transfer to one time account number that will be generated. Meanwhile, for WhatsApp means it will automatically send message to the front office notifying them that there's a reservation online. Somebody is trying to make a reservation. They should send an account number. So you can actually set your WhatsApp to auto reply with account number for them to make payment. Those are for guests that don't want to pay online. So I can go ahead. We have processing fee, 10 naira. We have all this information here. I can go ahead and complete payment. So this is for purpose of test, but we'll go live. So once we are live, you have all these payment options. Then I have pay. So automatically, there's a notification via email. So the notification come via email. I just got notification from then. Let's now go into the this is, let's assume once you refresh, you can see the booking automatically has come. You have the booking ID, you have the room, it will automatically pick any available room. We have the customer name, booking type, etc. Then pending, it shows pending because the guests have paid via Paystack, but the hotel might not have received the payment. So once they receive the payment, and let me show you one interesting thing on. So as you can see, this is a WhatsApp message that is being sent. You see, dear Tolani, your reservation have been received by Moji Software and Technology. Reference OTA this, room this, and etc. So the status is still pending confirmation. As you can see, it's pending confirmation. For help, contact, you can put etc. and all those stuffs. So let's go ahead. So let's now assume that I have confirmed this money, I've gotten alert and everything. So what I now need to do as a front office now, because I've gotten notification on my WhatsApp also that a booking has been done, then I can now go online and now confirm. Can you see? Are you sure you want to confirm this booking? I click yes. So automatically the booking have been confirmed, but the guest is yet to check in. So also you can visit the calendar. Let's see, you can see that that room is reserved from 20th to 21st. You understand? So for one night. So now the guest, let's now assume that the guest has now come. So once the guest has now come, you can now come here and now do a check-in. So it's confirming that you are checking in the guest. So once you check in the guest, as you can see, it also sent email and sent WhatsApp notification. You see, this is welcome to on checking. This is welcome to Muji Software and Technology, Tolani Olumobi. Room number 101, we have Wi-Fi. So the password, the Wi-Fi password will also be sent to the guest. So you understand? To order from your room is this front desk. So all the you can actually customize this to give instruction to the guest that is checking. Some of the instruction is room 101 is a room that is a non-smoking room. You understand? So these are some of the informations you can actually give to guests, and you can put the Wi-Fi password here. So it sends the Wi-Fi password to the guest, and this is QR code. On this QR code, this is QR code that will be in their room. It also send a link to them. So this link now, once a guest click it, it displays the menu. So as you can see, this is the menu of what we have. You understand? So a guest can decide to order. I can decide to order shawarma. I can decide to order Sprite. You understand? So as you can see, I can put any information here, then place room order. So as you can see this, so now let me now go to my so automatically if I go to POS, okay, it's telling me that I've not started a day. So let's start a day and start a shift. So I'm starting a day because in hotel, you agree with me that it does not follow the conventional 24 hours. So you start your day when your own day starts and you end the day when your day starts. So now we have started day and we have started our shift. So we have an active shift. So I can go to POS. So this POS now, that is restaurant. That's what it means. In the restaurant now, you go to your list of order. So as you can see, this is the order that came. You understand? So this is the customer. You can see self room order. So the guests have also booked for some rooms before. So that is why it's attaching the rooms that is there. Then you can print the bill. You understand? Before you print the bill, you can do a QT. So once you accept the order, 23401. So you confirm the order. Sorry, I'll need to get the correct pin. So you print this. So you're selecting. This should be by default. This is sample of the as if you want to go and serve the guest, you can print it and go. But for purpose of this tutorial of this video, I'm just trying to show you how a guest can make reservation from online, and it automatically comes to booking. So on the booking, so you have the guest have checked in. So once you check in the guest, that means the guests have arrived. So his bills can now start counting. So as you can see, we have the guest is in. So from here, you can as well check the guest out. So let's assume the guest has consumed his 24 hours. So you can come here and do a checkout. So once you are checking the guest out, it will fetch his ledger. So what the software does is the software compile all the histories of his ledgers. So as you can see, these are all the ledgers, all the times that he has visited and he has checked out. So you can actually uncheck if you want to just check for only this one, this his stay. Then as you can see, this is the customer's ledger. Then you can print. That's you can print the customer's statement. You understand? You can see that his balance is zero. Okay, on checkout now, let's now go to WhatsApp and see the message that have been sent. All right. So you can see that the guests have been checked out. So that is just it. Meanwhile, there's what we call the OTA. That's reservations that comes from online. This is where you can see the dashboard of the online reservation. So as you can see, so it also calculate commission if you have an agent that's marketing your hotel. So you can see the total revenue, you can see everything, average booking value. So you see this is just the booking that were done. You understand? This is just the interface of the whole online booking page. Also, on your sales report, it automatically hits your sales report. Your sales report, if you go to room sales report, okay, HMS room report. On your HMS room report, I can check for sales. So for my sales, you can see this is the sales that we made today. And you can see the total discount, you can see all that. Thank you very much.